Vintage aircraft like this beautiful 1956 Bonanza can be considered classics. Infrastructure, not so much. The Marsh Drive Bridge, built in 1938, withstood a lot of damage over the years and a lot of wear and tear. Recently, the entire bridge had to be replaced. Let's find out more about this project.
We see this project as a tremendous enhancement to the city of Concord, to Contra Costa, the Parks Department, the airport, the local businesses. This project is basically a public safety enhancement. It ensures that we're going to have mobility across Walnut Creek. As everyone remembers, the existing bridge posed a lot of difficulties for pedestrians, joggers, bicyclists, motorists. This project started May of 2021. The project was designed to incorporate stage construction to facilitate traffic movement and not introduce further delays to and impacts to the public. Stage one was to build the north side of the bridge first, maintaining the existing bridge for two-way traffic. Then, once the north side was constructed, we were able to switch traffic over to stage one and then demo the existing bridge for stage two. So that happened between the winter of 2021 and spring of 2022. Now, to allow us to get going on stage one, we had to do some utility relocations with PG&E and AT&T.
So there are many components to this bridge replacement project that needed to be considered through the design phase, into the construction phase, and to bring this project to completion. Stakeholder coordination was critical. There are private properties adjacent to this bridge that were impacted by the construction efforts. The county airports is directly adjacent to this bridge as well, and so we had to be considerate of the FAA regulations and the clearance requirements for the aviation uses of that airport. There were utilities that were stakeholders. There is the city of Concord that's a stakeholder, and so making sure that all of these stakeholders are kept informed through the process and that their needs are heard, understood, and incorporated into the design and carried out through the construction phase is important. In addition to all those stakeholders, there are the environmental stakeholders.
The permits identified endangered or selective species and ensuring their wildlife protection, and the biologists will tell us that. So going forward, to facilitate stage two, we also had utility relocations in order to get the old utilities off the existing bridge. And by June to July of 2022, we had the old bridge down, and we completed stage two late fall, early winter of 2022. We did incur a lot of weather delays.
With these recent storms that we've seen across the county, we've seen many of our facilities impacted by them. Predominantly it's roadways that are near creeks, and the hillside has given, which has caused the roadway to collapse in certain locations. This increased precipitation, increased runoff, increased drainage is definitely going to continue to be an issue for Contra Costa County, and it's something that we're taking into serious consideration as we're looking forward and planning what our next projects are. The increased hydraulic capacity of this bridge will help to improve the functionality of the creeks and waterways within and through Contra Costa County. And the new bridge structure being designed to the current geometric standards is just a safety improvement for all residents of Contra Costa County.
Working with the County Public Works Department has been a real asset for getting this job started, working through the issues, and getting it to this point of completion. The proactiveness of the County Public Works has been tremendous. It's been a successful project to benefit the public, and we're seeing that already.
To learn more about our design and construction projects, visit cccpublicworks.org.
Watch the full episode of Inside Public Works on our YouTube channel.